In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add frequently asked questions, or FAQs, on your Wix site. Let's dive right into it. From the start, make sure that you're already logged in to the Wix website. When you're in, look at the left corner of your screen and you will find an icon labeled as Add Apps. Can you see it? Good, now go ahead and click on that. Now, an application marketplace will open on the main part of your screen. In this marketplace, you'll notice there is a search bar at the top. Here, you'll need to type in the words Add FAQ and hit the Enter key in your keyboard. You'll see a number of search results, but there is one that we are specifically interested in, and that's the Wix FAQ. You're doing great so far. Now, once you see the Wix FAQ in your search results, go ahead and click on it. As a result, you will see a new screen where FAQs can be added to your site. Pretty easy, right? Okay, moving along. You'll see an option that says Settings. Click on that. Immediately followed by Display. Upon clicking Display, you're going to see an option that says FAQs and Categories. This will redirect you to another page. From here, you're going to see All FAQs. Go ahead and click on it. Here you will notice a button that says Manage FAQs. This is where you add new FAQs. So go ahead and click on it. Next, there appears an option labeled Add FAQ. Exactly. Click on it to proceed. This is the part where you will input your new FAQ questions and answers one by one. After you enter each FAQ question with its corresponding answer, you want to click on the Save FAQ button that is typically located either at the top or the bottom of the screen. Now let's check on our work. Click again on the Wix FAQ from the main menu, where you'll see the question you just added is appearing in the FAQ section of your screen. Exciting, isn't it? You're almost done. The last thing to do here is to publish your site with the new FAQs. You can do that by clicking on the Publish button available on your screen. And voila! You just added an FAQ to your Wix site. Let's see the fruit of your labor now. Go ahead and click on the View Site button as your final step. This will let you view your site as a guest, allowing you to make sure that your FAQs are perfectly visible and accessible. That's all for this tutorial. Great job!